Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. So guys, today I'm going to show you guys how I prepare my zobo drink. Zobo drink is very nice for our body, it's good for our health. So today I decided to show you guys how I prepare my own. So these are all the ingredients I'm going to use. I have zobo, pineapple, mint, ginger, cloves and lime. So guys, as you can see, now I'll just put my zobo inside the water and I'll wash it thoroughly. And also I'll wash my ginger because I'm going to grate it. And guys, also if this is the first time you are in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed to my channel, thank you very much. So guys, now let me show you how I do my zobo drink. Stay tuned. So now my water is already boiling and I've washed my zobo very well. So I have it inside this boiling water so that it will cook. At least I'll just cook this zobo for about 30 minutes. But before I cover it, I need to add my ginger. Then I'll add my cloves. Then I'll just stir it together very well so that everything can just mix together very well. Then I'll cover it to cook for 30 minutes. So now I've cut my pineapple into a little pieces. I put it inside my blender. I'll blend it very well. So now I've blended my pineapple. So the next step, I will just try to extract all the juice in my pineapple because this juice will give this zobo a nice flavor, a nice taste. So I'm just extracting my juice out of the pineapple. So guys, you can try this at home, you can try it with your friend. It's so easy to do. So try it, especially this period that you guys are at home. You can just do it. It's a very simple recipe. So this is the juice that I've extracted from my pineapple. So let me check my zobo. So my zobo is ready now. I've cooked this zobo for about 30 minutes. So I'll just take my zobo, then I'll filter my zobo. I'll just bring my filter and I'll filter it. Because I need the juice. Guys, you have to be very careful because zobo can stain everything in your kitchen. So while you are doing this, you just have to be very careful so that you will not stain all your kitchen. Try to do it in one place and keep everything, and later you wash everything, and it can stain everything in your kitchen. So I try to press out all the juice out of the zobo. So I try to use my filter to filter everything so that I'll make sure that there is no little pieces of the zobo inside. The zobo flour. I just want everything to be okay. So now, as you can see, I've prepared my zobo. I have almost 1 liter of zobo, then about 900 ml of pineapple juice. Then I have my syrup. Is mint and almond syrup. So I put about 90 ml of the syrup in 1 liter of zobo, so that it can give it a taste, a nice flavor. I will stir together very well. Then I will add my pineapple, the juice, the pineapple juice. Then I will just stir it together. Some people just do it like this, but me, I still need to add some sugar because I want it to be sweet a little bit. So I just add about 60 grams of sugar. Then I mix it together very well. So as you can see, it's so easy to make the zobo drink. It's not difficult and it's so good, so tasty. So guys, I want to say thank you to you all guys. Before you leave guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you have not subscribed, or you have already subscribed to my channel, God bless you and thank you very much. Please share this video to your friends, your loved ones, your family, and like and leave a comment. So I want to say a very big thank you to you all guys. Bye bye, and I'll see you in my next video.